Sweeting naman, anak. You're too much sweeting. It's so sweet. Oh, too much hot. Too much sleeping, too much sweeting. Come on. Sa mama. My goodness. Oh, my goodness. Sweeting man yung baby namon. Patay na yung kalabot ni mami. Much sweeting man ikaw. So much sweeting man taon. Patay na. Sisit na ikaw. Is it hot? Still hot, huh? Isa man na. Sweeting man ang balan. Yan ako. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Sweeting na ang kalangling. Ang kalangling ni mami. Sweeting. Baby. Shoo. Oh, shoo. Mama. Love ka din, mami. Remove na ang jacket. Kaya morning naman. Good morning, Balanga. Good morning sa palanglang ni mami. Diyan mo na, mommy God. Mommy, wake up you early. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Past 25 minutes. Let me remove this one because you are sweeting, anak. You are sweeting. Let me change you. The sweeting na ka na. Oh, sobra. Your arms, your back. Ooh. This is smiling man ang dalaga namin. So smiling man gatan. Sando, okay? Sando, ikaw na kay sweeting man ka na. Early morning. Love ni mami. Asa na smiling mo ng kanot? Asa mo na nga smiling mo ng kanot, not? Nag-smile siya, guys. Tanawa ni bataan ni. Hello, guys. I am sweeting this morning. Smiling ako, guys. Smiling ako kay mommy. Bihira natin siya kasi nag-sweeting man ang bata. Halika, mami. Excuse muna si mami, ha? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, anak. Mami. Aray. You need to wake up naman na kay morning naman. Mag-shower ka later. Among baby. Sampay ra natin ni kay para natin may suotan sa gabi. Yes, anak. Yes, anak ko. Side. Basag na. Do not mag-scratch ha, kay wala pa ka nag-cut sa imong nails. Hi, hi, pretty little baby, Bunaki, pretty little baby, oh little baby, oh sis is smiling kasi sa mama. Good morning. Good morning. Untang man ang sweeting man ang anak ba? Teka din ang baby namin. Oh, pretty little baby. A pretty little baby. Oh, Superman. Wonder Woman. Chloe. Hello, guys. Here, oh. Honey, look at the camera. Hello, guys. My name is Chloe. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Padidiin na natin ang ating princess. Ikaw? Princess? Sweetie, don't scratch your face. Do not scratch your face, and then you're crying. You're crying. Kalimot patag pamungos ning atong nawong ang atong aray ko Diyos ko Lord. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Still hot? Milk is hot. Ay, init pa pala, Diyos ko Lord. Sorry na. Buti na lang hindi niya dinidi. Pretty little baby. Ano na baby? Pretty little baby. Do not scratch your face. I'm telling you, do not scratch your face. Ano ba bagay sa baby na? Stretch ka muna. Mag-stretch na muna aming baby Ben. Pretty little baby. Gabi na akong tambok. I'm so in love with you. Now is that the time? Ito na akong kilikili. Pero bentahan na niya akong kilikili karon. Lamdag-lamdag na gamay. Okay. Na. Pero atong taba na naghan. Now it's not the time. Nambut kati-kati. Ang cute si palangga. Ang cute si palangga. Ang cute si palangga. What's up, money? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hoy! What is that sound? What is that sound? Naku. Hello guys. Welcome to our vlog. Oh guys, thank you pala sa mga until now nagsuporta sa mga video sa video namin. Naku. Yeah, I received question pala dyan sa may comment if this is my daughter. Yes, she's my daughter. Daughter Chloe. Yes guys, and thank you to all my supporters and always supporting me here. Hey, thank you guys. Sana i-support nyo pa rin kami sa mga susunod namin na mga vlog. Take care everyone. Ay, pakunti-kunti na lang yung yung post ko. Kasi nag-aalaga ako ng anak ko, guys. My daughter is my priority. Daughter Chloe. Thank you guys. Thank you to all. And to my members also out there. Thank you so much. And don't forget to support each others, guys. Take care. See you on my next video upload. Bye. Say bye-bye, anak. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go, bye-bye.